In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a QR code using Power Automate. Whether you're looking to streamline sharing of data or enhance your workflow, generating QR codes can be a handy solution, and with Power Automate, it's surprisingly simple. To start, let's set up the Encodian Flower connector, which is the tool that allows us to create QR codes within Power Automate. To do this, the first thing you'll need is an Encodian account. Head over to Encodian's website and sign up. Once you've registered, you'll receive an API key, which is essential for linking Power Automate with Encodian's QR code generation capabilities. Now, let's connect Encodian to Power Automate. Open Power Automate and navigate to the Data tab, then click on Connections. Here, you'll create a new connection. Just click the +New Connection button. In the search bar, type Encodian Flower, and select the connector when it pops up. You'll be prompted to enter your API key, so go ahead and fill that in. For additional guidance on this setup, Encodian provides a comprehensive guide specifically designed to help you create QR codes within Power Automate, so feel free to consult it if you run into any hiccups. With the connector set up, it's time to create a flow that will generate our QR codes. The beauty of Power Automate is its ability to trigger actions based on various conditions. For instance, if you're using Microsoft Forms, a practical trigger to choose would be when a new response is submitted. This means every time someone fills out the form, a QR code can be automatically generated. Now, on to the crucial step, adding the QR code generation action. In the search bar, find and select the QR code Create Action from the Encodian Flower options. Once selected, you'll need to configure this action by providing the specific data you aim to encode. This could be a URL, plain text, or any information you wish to link through a QR code. There is also room for customization when it comes to the appearance of your QR code. You can set parameters like the size of the code, define the error correction level, which impacts how much data can be recovered if the code is damaged, and even add a logo, which can be a nice touch if you're using the QR code for business purposes. By following this process, you'll not only be able to generate QR codes efficiently, but also tailor them to meet your specific needs. Whether it's for personal use, an event, or a creative marketing campaign, Power Automate and the Encodian connector make it straightforward to embed complex data into a simple square that can be scanned in seconds. Enjoy the seamless sharing and interaction that QR codes offer, all while leveraging the automation power within Power Automate.